will discuss about past tense. What is the past tense? Definition of a past tense. A verb which shows the work or action in previous time. What is the example of the past tense? Example: I eat meal. This sentence is present. How to make past tense? There are three form of verb: first, second, third. Now we will make present past tense. Sentence is I, same. For past tense we use second form, ate, meal, same. I give you another extra about a sentence, how to make a sentence in simple way. Sentence sometimes without objects, sometimes with objects. Like I eat meal. This not concerned with past to be tense, but I am extra give you a knowledge. I is a subject plus eat is a verb, meal is object. A sentence can be make subject plus verb plus object. Now come again to past tense. Past tense use second form of verb. Helping verb in interrogative, negative and negative is did. If use did, then use first form. Did use and verbs first form use. How to make interrogative sentence? I ate meal. I ate meal. Eat second form. Mean it is past tense. How to make interrogative? Helping verb of past tense is did. Now did first before subject helping verb did first form and then subject, then this second form convert into the first form, eat meal. If want negative, I did not first form eat meal. If make interrogative and negative together, Then did I not eat first form meal. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe. If any query, please contact